You put all of these ingredients in a food processor or blender and blend until smooth. Now we transfer this mix into a mixing bowl. Now we are going to add a cup and 3/4 of Vita-Weat gluten to our wet mix. At first, you can mix it with a fork. Combine all the wet ingredients with the Vita-Weat gluten. If you see it's a little dry and you're still having problems combining everything, you can add little amounts of water in at a time. Not very much, like a tablespoon at a time. So I think this is a little dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit of water to get this to mix together well. Because eventually what we want to do is have this all form together, and then we're going to start kneading it with our hands. Alright, now I'm going to wash my hands and I'm going to start kneading this. You just want to combine all this together. Alright, so now we have it in this form, like this. Now if you want your meat to be tender, where it's not very chewy, only do this for like 3 minutes. If you want it to be very chewy, you do it for like 5 to 10 minutes. You need it. Just depends on how you like it. Alright, I'm gonna start the clock now so I don't forget. Alright, I set my timer for 5 minutes, so that'll let me know when I'm finished. So I'm going to be very happy if this works, because I loved having roast beef sandwiches, and if this is the right texture and the color and I can make it myself, this is going to be great, because then I can have vegan roast beef sandwiches anytime I want. Okay, on to the next process. Now we're going to transfer this over to some aluminum foil. Aluminium if you are from the UK or Australia. Like that. So you put it in the middle, and then what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it, and then like a candy wrapper, we're going to wrap the ends. Not too tight because it's going to expand, and then we're going to steam it for 45 minutes. So this is how you do it, and then you can just put this up like this, put this up like this, and then it's ready to be steamed for 45 minutes. Make sure you have enough water in your pot, because some of the water will evaporate. And now we'll put the cover on. And then we'll set the timer for 45 minutes. After you steam it for 45 minutes, take it out and let it cool for 15 minutes. Be very careful when you're opening it, because it will be very hot. While it's cooling, we can have a quick look at what we have so far. Okay, our vegan seitan roast beef is cool. And now I'm going to roll it around in this salt and pepper mix on a plate, and then I'm going to fry it to lock in the flavors. Let's see how it's looking underneath. Not too bad. I'm going to turn the heat down so I don't burn it. use your tongs to turn it so you can cook the sides too. Here's our progress so far. It cooled off, so I was able to cut it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Here it is all sliced up. Now I'm going to put it in some broth with some onion, green pepper, and some spices. Okay, I turned off the heat so it can cool down a little bit. Now I'll get the bread out and I'll have my vegan roast beef sandwich. Here it is, the finished product. I highly recommend adding this to your sandwich. It makes it delicious. Thanks for sticking around all the way to the end, everybody. I hope you get a chance to try this. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right, thank you, and ciao ciao for now.